Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to show battery percentage on status bar in your iPhone 6 Plus mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your iPhone 6 Plus mobile phone and settings, scroll down and find the battery. Okay, tap the battery, and battery, okay, you can see the battery percentage, and on the right side you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to show the battery percentage on status bar, you only have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side of this battery percentage. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully show the battery percentage on status bar of your iPhone 6 Plus mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.